actually got a lap timer.
Oh, wow.
If I can remember how this.
Wow. 80 shifter. Yeah, reverse is right here, and first is down here, so it's not first.
Reverse is where first normally is.
Wow. Let's see.
Quattro valve, which means 4 valves per cylinder. You gotta kind of feel your way in, especially second. You can hear that, right? It won't go in.
Who needs a radio when we have that glorious Ferrari?
That's better of a top down in front of it. So I've driven 348, I still like this old, there's no power steering. So when you're in the, there's no power steering. No power steering. And it's, I love these huge gates. So the new ones get you into trouble so fast. I mean, you're like up the block and you're off. You know, a lot of like a video game, but it's not. This thing feels axle, skull. Alright, so you were just doing 100 to 45.
Wow. I don't think I've never been 100 miles per hour in a car.
And you missed it!
I know. Dang. The fastest I've been was like 80. And that was in a Mustang. Wow. Man. What is the typical gas stop?
If I behave myself, I can actually get 18 or 20, believe it or not. It's not a big engine, it's only 3.2 liters, so it's really a tiny engine. It's just, it's got a lot of get up and go for that little engine. If this thing is producing right around 290, maybe 300. No turbos, no magic, no computer. Well, it's got a little bit of computer, but I mean, it doesn't have, you know, what you got today.
I like the Ferrari. We had one of those one time.
Did they?
Yeah. $3 million.
So the Pope rode in this car, not this car, but he rode in a Mondial. They had the top off and he was standing up. Scent of a Woman. This is the same car, Scent of a Woman. Have you ever seen that? My license plate are the hidden, which is a kind of a compact kind of thing. But it was you know what the temperature is? It is.
Wow. Man,
You good?
I'm good. You just literally just made my day. Oh my goodness. There's no way. Wow. I like the steering wheel too.
Yeah, it's kind of. They call it. You got to drive it like a truck, you know, like.
Yeah.
Because you got to get so much torque on it. Kind of funny.
What do you think about Lamborghini? You like Lamborghini too, or?
They're kind of over the top. If you sat in one, they got this major console like right here.
Yeah.
You kind of feel cribbed in. This has kind of got this front forward. Like there's nothing in front of you. You know, the cab forward design. And the early Lamborghinis, like the Countach, has got transmission challenges.
You gotta change the oil temperature and all that. I didn't know.
Kid.
Oh man.
What this thing can do in the curves, though, I couldn't go really fast enough there because I'm worried about the temperature. But yeah, what she can do. A lot of cars have horsepower. Playing with her like that, like twisties. One time, it was a couple of years ago, a guy with a WRX Turbo STI wanted to mess with me.
He wasn't ready, was he?
He was not. So we went up to the corners.
Wow.
I could see it in my ear. He's like just off the curve. He's like hanging on. And, come up to the stoplight a mile later, he looks over at me and goes, yeah, yeah, you got me. So it's got a big limited slip differential, so when it brakes, gives the whole thing twists around. So the Ferrari 360, the joke is they call it the 360 because everybody ends up doing 360s. They really broke free on me. Holy crap. Now I can just throw the motor on the edge. It's awesome.
I know the new one, like the 458 and the 480.
Yeah. But it's more like driving a video game because I grew up, what's that, 458? What's above the 458?
488.
Yeah, 458. So I drove a 458. Drove for 458, and I punch it, and it's like stepping out on me a little bit, and I go into this curve and I'm hauling ass. I'm like, damn, I'm a good driver. And then I was thinking about it later. I'm like, I bet the computer had me the whole time. It wasn't even me. So,
Wow. I think also Maserati with the Gran Turismo, that's the only Maserati that has the Ferrari engine. That and the
right, Maserati has a Ferrari. Ah, look at him. It's his first ride.
yeah.
He's peeing in my He's peeing in the chair.
Good smell that.
Yeah. That's the old school smell, right? It's all the stuff going on. Yeah, the engine is like right here. You got to get to the front valve is right here. There's a cover right there.
Okay.
That's how I get to the front of the engine.
That's what the people that's exactly like a Ferrari. Like, come on, it's copy Ferrari and it's
Yeah, not a fun one. Yeah, you got the Italian writing here under my warning lights.
wow.
So do you post that stuff? You blog it? What do you?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel actually.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've driven like, of course, Ferrari, Maserati, Tesla, Nissan GTR, all that.
Okay. Well, the other one I'm going to show you, you'll have to bookmark me or something because I'm on Instagram and I've got a
Yeah,
website.
wow. So do I. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Not for this car. I need to sell this.
You have another Ferrari?
I do not.
Oh,
But you might be interested in it. It's the first of its kind. It's two wheels in front, one in the back. So you can open your local in the living room. Okay. Yeah, so I'm trying to get some more interest in that one. And yeah, again, this one's for sale.
I know my friend, he's actually in the market now for a Ferrari. Actually, he wants a 355. But like,
of money and research on 355s have a lot of maintenance problems. So either you got to be really, really good mechanically or be prepared. So this has just basic stuff, but the 355 is a different animal.
so you put the window right there.
So I'll show you the hood. One more shot and then we'll give this guy a rest. Just for the fun of it.
Oh wow, it's the actual hood.
So that's all there is up there. Yeah, so it's got a steel chassis and then like for weight, this is fiberglass, this is steel, this is aluminum.
Sweet. What is that right there?
This is the electrical.
Oh, electrical,
all the
okay.
circuit breakers, right?
Sweet.
That's
Wow.
where all your circuits go.
Wow. That's a battery right there.
Yeah, battery, right, about as low as you can go, right?
Yeah, that's very. Definitely don't want to drive this in the rain or like.
You gotta take the front tire off to get it out.
Wow.
You take the tire off, the wheel well out, and then the tire will slip out, or the battery will slip out down there.
Seems like a lot of work. Classic Ferrari, y'all. Mondial. So a three-wheeler. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. So how long does it take you to
This is not done yet. So this is the world's first rear engine, front wheel drive, three-wheeler. World's first. It's patented.
Wow. Man. Look at this.
I got 3 bling factors for you. I'll show you the bling blings. Alright. So I guess first, yeah, we can come on over here. I guess it's the easiest way to look. I don't know.
No way, man. Look at that.
I'd have to roll it forward.
Wow. That is crazy, man. What if Elon Musk is calling y'all? Greg, we need you. Look at this, man. Wow, man. Look at this.
It's a little hard to see, but
Yeah.
what it does, yeah, don't bang your head. Engine, custom drive shafts. It's actually got, you'll actually see engine, 1 drive shaft, goes around the corner. There's a right angle gearbox, another drive shaft, another right angle gearbox. There you can see her, and then it comes out here, and then there's another drive shaft to the wheel.
Wow.
Each side.
They probably will it start up or?
It is not. No, we don't. It's not got no gas. We
Okay.
don't want to put the fluids in until we're done. That'll be the very last thing she does.
Gotcha. Gotcha. Wow. Look at that. So when it's all done, like what color you want to paint it? Like,
That's a good question. We got a big debate going on.